Hi, and welcome to week 5. It's been nice seeing you work more with your groups, and it just seems that those who are engaging more are producing a more generative process. Um, this week, we'll be thinking about Darcy and Elizabeth in love, which I think is really interesting and offers a lot of um, potential avenues for us to explore, especially since a few weeks ago, so many of us were talking about love marriage and the importance that that had for our own thinking of familial institutions. Um, Additionally, this week you'll be revising either your past future story or your historical social context essay. Um, Additionally, you'll need to do a peer review. And actually, originally that was going to be due this Thursday, but you'll have until May 5th to finish that peer review of two people's um, response of two people's second drafts of either the past future story or this historical social context essay. A couple of reminders about which assignment you pick to revise. So, for DePaul students, for DePaul liberal studies students, um, you should be sure that one of your revisions is a short story and one of your revisions is an essay. So you need to look at the assignments that are coming up and think about, you have one piece of fiction, one piece of analysis that you're going to have to take to a final draft. So really think about which one of these you want to do. Um, Additionally, for School for New Learning students, for SNL students, if you're taking this class for A1D or A1E, um, you're going to need to revise either the historical social context essay or the next essay that's coming up. And if you're taking SNL students, if you're taking this for A5, either you're going to have to revise the past future story or the next piece of fiction that's coming up. So again, look at the syllabus, look at those assignments, make a decision about which ones you're going to revise, which ones that you'll be able to do best on. Additionally, at the end of this revision, you need to answer those reflective questions. And this time around, for any of the revisions, ask yourself, in revising this paper, what did you try? And actually think about how are you pushing yourself to learn something? How are you actually writing to make this clearer or better, more engaging? Um, what worked well? Um, you've gone through the revision process, you've thought about your strengths. Tell us your strengths in this paper. What worked well? And then, what are you not sure of? So that's the third question. What are you not sure of? So think about how, when we write, and this is true for everyone, there's always room for improvement. There are always these questions that we have that we haven't quite fleshed out. So think about, well, what aren't you quite sure of? How can your instructor, so how can I, and how can your peers help you make this a better essay? What kind of feedback can we give you? Okay, guys, I am looking forward to seeing what you do this week, and you will be hearing from me soon. Okay, talk to you later.